Though the purple urchin is not invasive, it is overpopulating. The population has grown by 10,000%. This creates a problem, as the purple urchins begin to overpopulate. Then they eat up all of the kelp and destroy the kelp forests, as well as pose competition for the larger red sea urchin, who is typically sought after for the union side. When urchins destroy a whole entire kelp forest, they are left with an urchin barren, which is just a large cluster of urchins on the ocean floor. This is a problem because urchins can live up to a full decade without food. These hungry urchins cannot be taken for uni, because without food the gonads of the urchin shrivel up while the animal continues to live. This takes away whole habitats from the ocean, and the urchins won't die off as a result, and these increase in numbers creates unhealthy competition for other lives. A solution to this is urchin ranching. Urchin ranching would take the weak, starving urchins and put them in captivity to grow into nutrient-rich seafood. This would be very sustainable to the kelp that is currently being destroyed by the urchins. The idea here is that if we can remove hungry urchins from the wild where there are too many of them, and we can also develop some sort of an economic incentive to do that removal effort, says Rogers Bennett. Another solution is complete physical removal. This is Japanese sargassum. It blocks columns of water and acts as a screen that prevents sunlight from entering the water. This takes away sunlight from phytoplanktons in the water, so they cannot begin the food chain by photosynthesizing sunlight. The wireweed also grows in large amounts, which take a large amount of the nutrients from the water, and much of that nutrients are now unavailable to the ocean life below it. These invasive species threaten the native biodiversity of the ocean. One thing that can be done to reduce the numbers of Japanese sargassum is to promote them as a valuable biomass for product use in the chemical makeup of Sargassum muticum. There has been a founding of many treasured ingredients that are very valuable for skincare applications and products. California's native kelp population is depleting. Therefore, we are losing our native animals along with it. The kelp is of great significance. We use it in our everyday lives, even brushing your teeth.